Welcome back to the channel. Yeah, we over here at James River Fishing Pier over in Newport News. Yeah, we're over here today. We're gonna see what we catch today. It's a nice little pier. This is actually my first time here, so I did some research on it. I saw they was catching a lot of catfish out here, so maybe we'll catch some catfish today, a new species instead of croakers. I know you get tired of croakers, me too. So maybe we'll catch some catfish today and might shoot for some bigger spots, because we're getting close to September. The spots get bigger. Hey, if you haven't yet, like and subscribe. Enjoy the video. Let's get this. Check out this pier out here, James River Fishing Pier. Let's see what we catch. There's a little crab shack going on over here. Crab shack. It's right over here. Hey, how you doing?
Yes, sir.
All right. One for the pier, sir? One for the pier?
Yes. You need ice or anything?
No. No, okay. Go. Okay, you want me to go next door, or?
I got to do it since I rung it up.
Gotcha. Sorry about that.
This one, David?
Yeah, just debit. Sometimes you go to these fishing piers, they only accept cash, so I gotta remember that. Get some cash on handy. Remember that. If you ever come out here, you just take cash on. All right, hey, sorry about that. Next time I will remember. Thanks a lot. All right. All right, here we go. Let's get this started. This is the James River Fishing Pier. It's a different type of pier. It's not wood. It's cement. There's a lot of space out here, I'll tell you that. Sorry. Hey, how y'all doing? Right here is fine. Okay, we are back. Yeah, we're gonna try out 3 different kind of fish bites. We're gonna try out 3 different kind of fish bites. We have the easy flea. We're gonna try out the easy flea. Of course, we're gonna try out the easy crab, and then we're gonna try out Bloodworms, my favorite fish bite. It usually works every single time. We're gonna try these fish bites out because they're really dependable with a small circle hook because it stays on. Let's get this. Yeah, I got him. I got the culprit. It's a teeny little fish.
Yeah.
Break the ice. Yeah, golly, this is the smallest one I look like I ever caught. First fish, teeny little croaker. Teeny little guy. Teeny little croaker. First fish out here at the James River Pier. I'm gonna keep them, use them. This time I got a spot. Got a spot this time. Got a spot. Real nice. Let's see. Try to take the whole thing. Got a nice big spot. Nice big spot right here. Nice big spot. Nice. Big spot. Out here at James River Bridge, fishing pier. Nice size spot. Got dolphins out here. I hope they come up again so we can see them. We can get them in the shot. Oh wow, there's a lot of them out here. A lot of dolphins. Got a lot of dolphin action. Oh, whole school. I don't know if you can see it. I hope you can. A whole school of dolphins out here. Sucker right here. Nice big spot out there. This is a big spot. These croakers, they're very elusive out here. Well, it's not croaker, it's a spot. There's plenty of spots out here. Spots season is coming back. So besides the croaker, I got tired of catching croaker, so I guess we get spots this year. Get away. Get on there. Got a little croaker. Teeny little croaker, hooked him right on the side. It's about to thunder out here right when the fish really start biting. Got another one. A croaker. Alright. Teeny little croaker. The little guy, we're gonna throw him back. Put him back. Yeah, we did pretty good. Actually, we did caught a lot of spot today. Caught about 2 croakers, teeny little things. I guess it's just time of the day that you got to be out here. Hey, you know, it comes with the breaks of fishing. If you like this kind of content, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.